In this video, we're going to demonstrate operation of the Vulcan 900RX and MSA gas griddles. 900RX griddles come standard with a dual ignition system, electric and manual. MSA griddles are built standard with only a manual ignition system. For electric pilot lighting, push and hold the power switch in the on position. While continuing to hold the power switch in the on position, depress and hold the red button on the pilot safety valve. Verify the pilot has been ignited. After it has been burning for 45 seconds, release the red button. For manual pilot lighting, depress and hold the red button. Reach under the front of the unit to light the corresponding pilot with an outside ignition source. Verify the pilot has been ignited. After it has been burning for 45 seconds, release the red button. Preheat the griddle for 20 to 25 minutes before cooking. We recommend seasoning the cooking surface with a light coat of oil before first use and after every cleaning to reduce cooked product from sticking. Each 12-inch section has a separate snap-action thermostat for accurate temperature control, allowing you to cook a variety of products simultaneously. Throughout service, clean the griddle cooking surface regularly with a griddle scraper. At the end of service, allow griddle to cool down to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply room temperature water and clean with the griddle scraper to remove debris. Empty the grease drawer as needed throughout service and, at a minimum, empty at the end of service. Thoroughly clean the griddle backsplash, sides, and front. To shut off the griddle, turn thermostats to the off position.